Alright, okay, rolling na tayo. Ayan, warm greetings everyone, peace and all the good things to all of you. And we are live here at the Stephen H. Barrio Fiesta, brought to us by the Stephen H. Filipino-British community. And right here in front of me is one of the performers. They are a resident band here. The vocalist actually a resident band here, or a resident of Stephen H. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Pris Matra. Hello! Ayan, yan. So, pakilala nyo naman sarili nyo. Tell us your name and then what instrument do you play in the band?
Hi, I'm Rans. I play the bass guitar.
Hi, ako si Kim, drummer.
Ako pala si Embert. I play guitar and from Oxford originally.
I'm Sunny. I'm the lead guitarist and backup vocals as well.
My name is Elle.
Ayan.
Ako po ang lead vocalist ng Pris Matra. I'm very proud to be working with these boys.
The only thorn among the roses.
The only thorn among the roses. Mga chicks ko to, guys.
Yes, yes. And tell us, bakit nga pala Pris Matra ang name ng band? Ayan.
Umpisahan natin kay, sino gusto mag-umpisa? Unti-unti natin.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Okay, so ako na lang. We started off with Prism tapos Matra. Prism is alam mo yung pag nagka-radiate ng light sa prism, nagre-reflect siya. Sa kung saan tatama yun. So we visualize. Pang matalino to, wag kayo yun yung pag-visualize namin, na parang yung sound waves ay kapag tumama sa mga audience namin, parang talagang it will hit them. And Matra naman is like, we have a mantra na gusto namin na mag-connect sa mga tao in a way na parang prism yung music namin. Kaya parang, parang swak yung Pris Matra.
Pris Matra.
Yeah,
Wow,
it's
amazing.
like a spectrum of sound. Yes, pare?
Wow,
You wanna talk about that?
Amazing.
Medyo pang matalino yung spectrum of sound. Pero yun na yun, guys. Gets nyo na yun. Oo.
Wow, salamat. Ipasa mo ang mic kahit kanino.
Ay,
Ayan. Kim. Ayan. Kim,
ka na.
is this your first band here in the UK?
Actually, this is the second band that I've been in. Una, halos kami din pero ibang band name. So, yeah, this is my second band. Parang full-time band ba nakasama ako dito. Yeah.
Ayan, amazing. Sige, pasa mo yung mic kahit kanino. Ayan, Embert. Embert, paano ka naman napasama sa Pris Matra?
Actually, magkakalala na kami ni Sunny since high school pa. So, magkabanda na kami even before. So, may previous bandan kami na wala na ngayon. And then, nag-form sila ng Pris Matra and then in-invite niya ako as second guitarist. So, and then I meet all of them. Kim as well is my former bandmate. So, we are
Amazing,
so happy
amazing.
to be with them.
Pass the mic kanino. Sino pa?
So ako naman, I've been a sessionist for several bands kasi I'm an open musician. So nag-jam ako sa mga iba't ibang bands, supporting different events. And then we came to that point na parang I would like to join and form a proper band, proper gigging band with a brand name na i-showcase yung talent, and then at the same time supporting as well not just the Filipino community but the community as well here in England. And so common friends ko silang lahat, and then we just found each other and then formed a band.
You just gelled. Yeah. And it worked. Yeah. That's the best thing, mag-work yung chemistry ninyo. Ayan. And sino naman ang makulit sa grupo?
Si Elle.
Kasi
For sure.
Ako yung pinakamabait.
Sino naman para sa sino yung pasaway? Meron man pasaway sa grupo?
Si Elle pa rin. The only thorn.
Sino?
Ako kasi yung lalaki.
Ay, ganun.
Medyo nalalaglag ako.
The rest mga introvert.
As you can see.
Yes. And sino naman yung medyo seryoso sa grupo? Sabay tawa, no? Sige.
Siguro introvert kaya ganun.
Amazing. Ayan. So, tell us, ano naman yung next after this one? Saan yung mga next na gig ninyo na pwede nyong imbitahan yung ating mga kababayan para panoorin kayo?
Alright. Well. Saan ako mag-umpisa? Tiyare! Kala mo, haba ng listahan eh. Yung kasunod namin, we have an event incoming. It's a charity event by Bangs Garcia pero organized by our very own Ariel Nepomuceno or slash Buraot ng UK.
Yes, yes.
He's got like 400k followers there in Facebook. Isa kami sa mga napaunlakan na nai-invite ni Kuya Ariel na mag-perform sa September 27. It will be in Beyond the Woodlands. Ang ganda ng lugar, parang
Wow.
para ka lang nasa Pilipinas. Parang
Yes,
camping mode, no? Parang camping site siya. Yan. Magdala lang kayo ng mga tents nyo. And obviously, it's a charity gig. So, if we could support that, that's great. This really means a lot to me as well. Kasi si Tina, as you guys know, nagka-cancer, nagka-leukemia. So, yung sinusulong natin dito is about a charity sa breast cancer. Different kinds of cancers, you know, like just creating awareness. So if you guys could come and support that event, much appreciated. So after ng September 27, we've got a few more coming. May mga October 11 kami with the Pick Drop na banda. Shout out
Oh,
mga kapatid.
yes, pick drop, yes.
Mga solid, G-Aro, parang ano parang basta sa bunganga yung pangalan.
Yeah.
Pero yan kasi yung pangalan niya sa Facebook, wala tayong magagawa. Si GRO, ng Pick Drop, ayun, shout out sa inyo mga kapatid. Sila po ang organizers ng OPM Revive naman ang tawag dito. Ito ay kaganda na konsepto na puro OPM ang aming tutugtugin kasi parang tangkilikin ang sariling atin.
Yes, very exciting yan. Ako rin, namimiss ko yung mga sounds ng mga
Di ba kuya,
sa
ano ka
Pilipinas.
din?
Yes.
OPM ka din.
Absolutely,
Yan.
absolutely. Batang 90s to.
Yan, batang ka 90s.
Yes, Watford, yeah.
That's at Watford, yeah.
Yes, tama. Nasa Watford yun mga kapatid. Yeah? So watch the space. Follow us in Facebook. For now, Facebook muna. Kakalat namin yan. Tapos meron pang isang November 2 incoming na inorganize ng Hold Fire na banda. Shout out mga kapatid, Joanne. Ito ay
For mental health yan, di ba?
For mental health.
Yes, I will actually be there. So, makikita-kita tayo doon.
That's it.
Yeah,
That's
Hold
it,
Fire,
man.
the Hold Fire, yeah?
Diba?
November 2, yeah.
Meaningful ang mga incoming gigs ng Prismatra. We are supporting our fellow bands who are also supportive din sa amin and creating a platform for us to perform in. So, shout out sa inyo mga kapatid. November 2 in Crawford Arms, Milton Keynes naman to, yung kay Hold Fire. And we are supporting mental health and advocating for it, creating awareness. So, yan yung mga incoming gigs namin. And somewhere in the middle, we will be announcing some stuff as well. And watch out sa mga original na kata ng Prismatra. Kayo ay
Yes.
aming pasasayawin.
Yes, and you will
We
go
are
back.
cooking something.
Oh, that's what we want. That's what we want to hear, yung mga original songs ng mga bands dito, yeah.
Kasi,
Amazing.
ay, hindi nyo na itatanong. Papakilala ko pala yung mga banda. Itong si,
Yes.
sa role sa banda, apart from, si Kuya Sunny ang lead guitarist namin, he also plays plenty of instruments. Tapos, kapag meron kami original song na ilalabas, siya ay nangunguna sa aming melodiya. At kami ay magpipick up lang sa kung anong melodiya na magawa niya, pero iikot namin yan sa banda at gagawa namin ng sarili namin magic sarap ang tawag ko dyan.
Wow.
Yan, lalagyan namin Ajinomoto ng konti.
Ajinomoto.
Hindi to paid ad, baka naman guys, baka naman ha. Sa amin very own bassist si Ranzel ay isang writer, hindi nyo na itatanong. Meron siyang page na Artecdote ang pangalan.
Wow.
Yes, he has, magkano nga, ang dami, hindi na namin sabihin, pero ang dami ng followers nito. Talagang sumikat to kasi he's funny, hindi lang obvious, no? Pero he's funny. He's a funny guy. And he's a writer. So kung meron mang mangunguna sa pag-lyrics ng aming kanta. Ito na yun.
Wow.
Meron na.
Kompletos Ricardos pala ang
Kompletos
Prismatra.
Ricardos. Pero, syempre, ang magdadagdag pa ng magic sarap ay si Embert namin. Kasi iba yung tira kapag dalawa yung lead guitar eh.
Yeah.
Iba yung tira. So gagawa yan.
Mag-harmony, di ba?
Hindi yan susunod kay Bones. Sabihin nyo na yung isa random lang. Hindi, mali kayo dyan. Abangan nyo yan si Embert. Makikita nyo, kaganin na yun. Balang araw, abangan nyo yan. Ha? Si Ikim, as you can see, yung kanina was the first launch of Ikim's hybrid na drums.
Wow,
Kasi
amazing.
kami ay talagang committed sa paggastos. Ay, gastos! Teka. Bastos. Pakat nun. Committed kami na i-improve ang aming tone as a band. It's a constant learning. ano din kami, nagbaband din kami. We're learning along the way. Tapos, ay sana supportahan nyo kami dyan. Tapos yung hybrid na drums ni Ikim, naririnig nyo may mga claps kanina?
Wow.
May mga claps kanina, may mga parang galing ng space kanina na mga tunog. Si Ikim yun.
Outer space.
Yan! So watch out for Prismatra, you guys. We are cooking something and we will get you. But I need you to come and get us too by booking us in. Come on. Hey! Libre
Yes.
promotion!
Amazing. So, final one. Sino ang mga favorite bands nyo? So, ikot lang. Favorite bands?
So I'm more on the metal side of music industry. So Periphery, Architects, Monuments, of course Metallica,
Yes,
Rage Against the
Metallica.
Machine, everything. So batang 90s din ako with all the new metals.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it. That's my
Good.
main influence.
Amazing.
Ako, variety actually sa OPM, River Maya of course, POT, yung mga bagong bands ngayon, Four of Spades, Cup of Joe, tapos funk, Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Wow, red hot.
Oh,
Kita-kita.
Ngayon ay sa,
Walang araw,
Give it away.
pwede rin sa mood, minsan jazz, minsan Sharon Cuneta. Lalo pag may pagkain.
Sharon Cuneta.
Lalo pag may
Yan ba yung
pagkain.
balutin mo ako? Next, naman, si Kim. Favorite mo, bands?
Actually, wala akong maisip pero dati kasi medyo emo ako dati high school. Kaya My Chemical Romance.
Yes,
ganun.
My Chemical Romance.
Tapos sa OPM naman, ang pinapakinggan ko dati kasi may legal ko sa acoustic guitar ginagamit ko dati sa MYMP, mga ganun.
Wow,
kasi
amazing.
yung band ko dati nung high school is vocalist namin babae. So, minimimic namin yung MYMP. Ganun. So, yeah.
Si Ember naman.
Ako naman, actually, noon, puro alternative rock metal lang ako. Pero naging open ako dahil sa mga kuya natin dito sa music industry na kailangan mo maging walang discrimination of any kind of sort of music kasi isang industry lang tayo. So,
Yeah.
Pero originally, ang mga band ko talaga is Incubus, 311, Red Hot, Metallica, Korn. Sa local naman, siyempre, di mawawala dyan. Greyhounds, Love Shack, Cheese.
Wow, mabibigat. Mabibigat.
Kikusay. Pero lumaki talaga ako sa sounds ng E-Heads. So, E-Heads fan ko.
Yes. Amazing. And Elle?
Influence. Ako ang mix ng lahat. Except siguro sa metal side of things. Pero ako yung vocalistang magiging masaya ang mga chicks ko kasi open ako na mag-learn ng something new. At pag tinapunan nila ako ng Agent Orange, kakagatin ko yun.
Wow.
Lalamunin ko ng buhay yun. Pero yes, I'm a little bit of everybody sa sa mix nila, sa mga influences nila. And I think that works for our band. Kasi parang glue na nagdidikit kami. Tapos what I like about us is we value each member. So kada isa sa amin, sa kada gig namin, hindi pwedeng walang may ambag. Kailangan may isa na nagtapon. Yes, kada isa sa amin may suggestion at walang man left behind ba. So hindi mafa-finalize until hindi lahat nakapag-ambag. Ayun.
Yes.
So ayun, we are trying to become a show band, a hype band. Yung iba binansagan na kaming ganyan, pero we're still learning along the way. Sana bigyan nyo kami ng chance na mai-expand pa ang aming mga skills by yayain nyo naman kami.
Yes,
Ayain nyo naman
amazing.
kami. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Prismatra. Ayan po, abangan nyo po sila sa kanilang mga gigs and do check out their social media platforms. Ayan, maraming salamat. See you again.
Thank you,
Bye.
Kuya Jeremy. More power.